How to send blank message on Messenger. So if you want to send a blank message on Messenger, then what you need to do is simply open up your Messenger application, and now you can simply choose a chat, whichever chat that you would like to send a message. So here you won't have a blank message, right? So if you want to send that, then you need to open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. So I'm here with Chrome browser. You can simply go for the search bar and search for blank Unicode. Once you've searched, you can simply go for any search and then scroll down, and here you will have this box, right? So under that box you can simply tap and hold on to that for 2 to 3 seconds, and here you will have copy option. Tap on copy and then go for your chat and paste that. And once you've pasted, tap on the arrow which is on the right side, and that's it, your message has been sent. So that's it, that's how you send a blank message on Messenger. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.